Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix Steam game no license found error. So when you encounter this problem, we can do 3 steps in order to fix this. And that is by heading over to the Steam launcher, clicking on the settings of your Steam, and from here you then want to simply click on the interface, and the first thing that you want to change is the client beta participation. Now I know this sounds like it doesn't make a lot of sense, but sometimes heading over or playing over to the Steam beta update can go ahead and basically fix this problem, and that is by choosing the client beta participation. Now if this doesn't fix the problem, the other thing that you can do is to clear your download cache. So just head over to downloads, scroll down, and then you want to clear the download cache of your Steam. Right after clearing your cache, the next thing that we can do is to verify the game file's integrity. So just click on library, head over to the game that you have purchased. Let's go ahead and say this one. Right click on it, click on properties, click on installed files, and then you want to click on the verify integrity of game files. This will make sure that the game that you have downloaded doesn't have corrupted or missing files on your system, making sure that it works perfectly. Of course, if all of the mentioned solution doesn't help you, you then want to contact customer Steam support. Most of the time, they can go ahead and help you fix a problem, but with these 3 simple steps, this will help you get rid of the no license found error. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.